Are you tired of watching your paycheck disappear with nothing to show for it? What if the real problem isn't your income, but silent money traps draining your wealth every day? Inspired by Warren Buffett's genius, I am exposing 10 shocking ways you are wasting money and how to stop them to unlock financial freedom. Stick around. This could save you thousands and change your life. Hit subscribe and let's start building your wealth now. Why does it feel like there's never enough money, no matter how hard you work? The answer lies in wasteful spending, small, sneaky habits that add up to big losses. Drawing on Warren Buffett's principles of simplicity and discipline, we're diving into 10 hidden money traps that sabotage your financial goals. These aren't just tips. They're your blueprint for smarter budgeting, bigger savings, and lasting wealth. Share in the comments a money trap you've faced or a savings hack you love. Let us inspire each other. Before we start, let's get one thing straight. Savings without purpose is just hoarding. Whether it's early retirement, a dream vacation, or financial freedom, clear financial goals make every penny you save meaningful. Buffett's secret? Focus on what matters and cut the rest. Let's uncover these traps and redirect your money to what counts. Trap 1. Bulk buys that spoil. Buying in bulk seems like a savings win, but if it expires before you use it, it's pure waste. That jumbo pack of veggies rotting in your fridge? It's money down the drain. US households waste 30% of their food yearly, costing billions. Solution: buy only what you'll use. Simplicity in shopping protects your budget. Trap 2. Impulse store purchases. Stores are rigged to make you overspend. Think flashy displays and deal signs. A quick trip for essentials can end with $50 in extras. Fight back with a strict shopping list and a set budget. Shop when you're calm, not hungry or tired, to avoid impulse buys. This budgeting trick can save hundreds monthly. Trap 3. Overpriced brand name meds. Branded medications can cost 80% more than generics, yet they're chemically identical. A $40 branded pill might have an $8 generic twin. Always ask for generic options at the pharmacy. This small switch boosts savings without risking health, aligning with Buffett's focus on value over hype. Trap 4. Lottery dreams. The lottery is a wealth destroyer. Your odds of winning a jackpot are 1 in 300 million, worse than a lightning strike. Weekly $5 tickets add up to $260 a year, enough for a solid investment start. Skip the lottery and put that money in a low-cost index fund. Wealth comes from strategy, not luck. Trap 5. Sneaky bank fees. ATM charges, account fees, and overdraft penalties silently erode your savings. Americans lose billions yearly to these traps. Switch to a fee-free online bank and pay credit card balances in full to dodge interest. Regular statement checks keep your budget on track and your wealth intact. Trap 6. Restaurant drink markups. A $6 soda or $12 wine at a restaurant has markups as high as 800%. That's money you could save or invest. Choose free water instead and enjoy drinks at home for a fraction of the cost. This simple habit supports your financial goals while keeping dining fun. Trap 7. Clothes you won't wear. Sale clothes are tempting, but if you don't love them, they'll just gather dust. A $15 shirt you never wear is a loss. Use the love it or leave it rule. Only buy what excites you. A smaller, quality wardrobe saves money and space, reflecting Buffett's simplicity. Trap 8. Unused subscriptions. That streaming service or gym membership you forgot about. It's stealing your money. People waste $200 yearly on unused subscriptions. Audit your bank statements monthly and cancel anything you haven't used in 60 days. Redirect that cash to investments for real wealth growth. Trap 9. High-fee investments. Investment funds with 1 to 2% fees can slash your returns by thousands over decades. A 1% fee on a $100,000 portfolio could cost $30,000 in 30 years. Choose low-cost index funds like the S&P 500 with fees under 0.1%. Smart investments build wealth efficiently. Trap 10. Costly souvenirs. A $40 souvenir statue might seem special, but it often ends up forgotten. Opt for cheap, meaningful mementos like $3 postcards or magnets. They spark joy without bloating your budget. Spend on experiences, not stuff, to align with your financial goals. These 10 traps are quietly draining your wealth, but you now have the power to stop them. Inspired by Warren Buffett's simplicity and wisdom, you can master budgeting, grow savings, and build a future of financial freedom. Start today. Pick one trap to eliminate this week and redirect that money to your goals. Drop a comment with your top savings tip or a trap you've beaten. Want a part 2 with more wealth secrets? Let us know. Smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell to join our wealth-building community. Check out our investment hacks playlist linked below. Your financial future starts now. Let's make it count. Thanks for watching Wealth Secrets. Share this video with someone who needs a financial wake-up call. Together, we're uncovering hidden economic truths and building enduring wealth. See you in the next one.